Okay, in this video, we're going to go over the dynamic side plank. So instead of, we're kind of like progressing from the isometric hold side planks to a side plank with movement. So what's most important is the control of the movement and that you're not rushing through it. So I'm going to really ask you to focus on your breathing with each pattern. So I'll go through that. As far as setting up, let's start with a forearm side plank. The feet are going to be stacked on top of each other. You're going to push through this bottom elbow, push through the bottom foot, come up to the start position. So what you're going to do is you're going to breathe in as you drop this bottom hip to the ground, and simultaneously this top shoulder is going to angle down towards the ground. You're going to breathe out as you open up, back to the start position. Chest is open, hips are high. You can bring your arm up if you want, just depends on what you want to do. Keep it here, whatever. Again, breathing in, coming down. Breathing out, let's come back to the top. So this is pretty difficult on the shoulder as well as the core. As far as progressing from here, you can go to a side plank where it's just your hand here. So obviously way more room to cover as far as dropping the hip down and the shoulder before you come back up. Quite a bit more difficult. You can do that variation, or going back to the forearm side plank, coming up, clearing the top leg from the bottom leg, repeating the same pattern. Woo! A lot more difficult on the bottom leg. Also hitting the top hip to hold the weight of your leg. You'll try out what you can do successfully for the prescribed amount of reps. And again, make sure to breathe on the way down, breathe out on the way up. Make sure to be audible with your breath so you really extra recruit. You end up tapping into the obliques a bit more. So yeah, give that a shot, dynamic side plank.